So let's work on correctly position the button and then also create the 4 dials that surround that button. I'm going to turn on the grid. I'm also inside the back view, and I'm going to turn on my sketches. And the front sketch I'm going to rotate because, as you can see, seen from the back, that sketch plane or the canvas plane is rotated. So we can go to Windows, Information, Information Window, and then X, Y, and Z, and simply turn -90 into +90. And then we have the one rotated. And with this plane still selected, I'm going to import canvas image. And I'm going to import now another image, the MP3 player dial. Go to Window, the Canvas Layer Editor, Front, and turn this one down maybe to 25. The interface maybe I turn off for a moment as well. And then let's hide the front surfaces, because there we now see roughly the outline of my dial. And actually I was very close with positioning my center button actually centered on the MP3 player. Of course, as you can see, there are a few planes still visible which I do not want to be visible, so try to select those and say display invisible, display invisible. Okay, and then I can set the sketch plane into reference, because at this point I might have to undo this because I just noticed this image is just a little bit off. So I'm going to select my sketch plane, going to move, and then with my middle mouse button slightly move it over to the left so it matches a little bit better the center. Okay, so that is good. Let's go back to set it to reference. And of course, before I continue, I also should adjust my my vector and the revolve curves. So with my vector still selected, I could maybe go to the 3D view, perspective, zoom in, and where are my profiles. So yeah, I already put them onto a different layer. I just cleaned up my scene a little bit. Go to back, and then again with my vector, my arc, and my line, not my fillet, selected. In front view, pressing the right mouse button, and then of course I have to turn on move. I slightly try to adjust them to the center here. Okay, then I can hide my profile layer again so I'm not messing with it, and create a new layer, because on this layer I'm going to start creating now the curves for constructing the dials.